Atoms chapter, inter second year physics, derivation of formula for total energy of electron. In the previous videos we explained kinetic energy of electron formula derivation and also formula derivation for potential energy of electron. Now, so what about energy of electron? So energy of electron is denoted by E, which is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. So it is denoted by E, which is Ke plus Pe. So now kinetic energy of electron is given by 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R, and potential energy of electron is given as potential energy minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. సో ఇవి రెండు ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో మనం డెరైవ్ చేసాం. ఆల్రెడీ దీస్ టూ టాపిక్స్ వర్ డెరైవ్డ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్. సో యూ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ ద ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఆటమ్స్ చాప్టర్. So now substitute the formula of kinetic energy and potential energy in this one. So equation 1, it is equation 1. So from equation 1, so kinetic energy 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R plus potential energy minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this implies, so total energy that is denoted by E is equals to 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. Here plus into minus. So now E is equals to, you can see in both parts 1 by pi epsilon naught E square by R is the common quantity. That is why 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E square by R. So this quantity is taken out as a common quantity. So remaining 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So then LCM E is 8. And this will be 1 and this will be 2 into 1 by pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So now 1 minus 2 means minus 1 by 8 into 1 by 1 by pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this implies total energy of electron E is equals to minus 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this is a formula for total energy of electron or energy of electron, and this symbol is epsilon naught అని పలుకుతాం మనము. So this is, in the next video we explain most important question for 4 marks in atoms chapter for IPE inter second year. So limitations of Bohr's theory.